Hey YouTube, Right Spot community here, man. Out with another controversial topic, man. Hey, look, the elephant has been in the room for quite some time and nobody is calling it out, man. So I'm gonna call it out today. And whatever y'all want to say, you can say in the comment section. It means nothing whatsoever to Bright Spark, you know what I mean? So, man, Sidem Oztùrk is such an amazing girl, man. And I'm gonna say it. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oztùrk as his wife, man. Come on. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve that girl, man. And I know all of you Gaza fans and you Gaza, brainwashed victims of dancehall music. Whenever I say something about Vybz Kartel, all of you get all upset and get in my comment section and say all these derogatory, discouraging remarks. But all of you know it's the truth, man. You just ain't brave enough to say it, man. Come on. It's amazing what money can do, man. And you all know that's the truth. The only reason that Vybz Kartel is with such a beautiful, kind-hearted, sweet soul girl of Sidem Oztùrk is because of his money, man. His money, power, and influence, man. That is all it is. He doesn't have the looks. He isn't kind. Vybz Kartel is just Vybz Kartel, man. And it will always be Vybz Kartel. Whatever. He can't fool me, man. And I'm telling you today, he doesn't deserve Sidem Oztùrk, man. Sidem, she is the kindest girl I've ever seen. You look at that girl's smile and it brights up the whole room. You look in her eyes, man, and you see heaven. That girl is an angel in human form, man. And here is Vybz Kartel now taking this girl, engaging her, about to marry her, and he's gonna destroy your life. For what? For trying to be Bob Marley? We all know that Bob Marley, he was with his wife, Rita Marley, and after some time, he went and he got together with Cindy Breakspear and they got a child in the form of Junior Gong. And Vybz Kartel, seeing that he has power, influence, and reach in dancehall, he's trying to replicate what Bob Marley did by saying, okay, let me leave Shorty, Tanisha, and he now finds himself another beauty queen. I mean, Sidem Oztùrk might not have gone in the Miss Universe world for Turkey or wherever they say that she's from. But trust me, man, this girl could have easily won Miss Universe, man. She could have easily won the Miss World Universe title if she was interested in doing that. It's a typical Beauty and the Beast situation. What did Vybz Kartel think? Oh, Sidem is going to kiss him and he's going to magically turn into a prince? Man, come on, man. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oztùrk. And nobody is saying it, man. The only person who came close to saying it was Anthony Miller. So y'all are gonna just let this girl go and marry Vybz Kartel and nobody... Hey, listen. If I was at the wedding and the pastor said, is there anyone who object to this union? Man, I would get up and I would tell Sidem, man, get out of that relationship, man. It's all because of the money. It's amazing what money can do, man. If Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oztùrk, then I deserve Lisa Hanna. If Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oztùrk, then I deserve, Kamala Harris. Yeah, I deserve Kamala Harris if Vybz Kartel deserves Sidem Oztùrk, man. I'm not playing, man. Come on. You know what? And you all Gaza fans, man, you're gonna get all upset when I say this, man. But listen, you know it's the truth. So don't watch the video and play as if I'm saying something that is out of this world, man. I'm telling you that if Sidem Oztùrk had, she's from England, she's from the UK. If Sidem Oztùrk had 100,000 pounds in her account, Vybz Kartel wouldn't get the time of day with that girl. Come on, man. Who agrees with me? If Sidem Oztùrk had 100,000 euro dollars in her account, when Vybz Kartel approached and slid in her DMs, she would not have given him the time of day. She would have stayed a fan. But he used his money, man, and he bribed her. He bought her a Range Rover. Goodly paid her rent, pay off her college tuition. You know Vybz Kartel has money, man. So he can do what he want to do. He paid off so much things for Sidem. Sidem just hopped in his hands like, you know, when you watch Pink Panther and or Popeyes and Olive and you see the jump up in Popeye's hand, man. That's the way Sidem jump in Vybz Kartel hands when she saw that he's doing so much for her, man. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve that girl, and I'm telling you, you're gonna watch and see if they're married. The relationship probably only lasts for a couple months. Maybe he gets a kid out of her or whatever. But the fact of the matter is that the relationship isn't a match made in heaven. The relationship isn't a match made in heaven. All right, so we need to talk out, man, and save this girl from the Gaza. Save this girl from the Gaza fans. Save this girl from the old Gaza culture. Man, what are y'all doing, man? You're gonna let Sidem go down this road? Vybz Kartel deserves a girl like Spice. You know who Vybz Kartel deserves? Tanisha Robinson, Shardy. He deserves a girl who is bleached out, tattooed, full of tattoos and full of piercings, because that's the kind of songs he sings. Girls who are in that outrageous lifestyle. You know, the partying, that social type of livity. You know, Sidem doesn't even like to party. You look at her when she's at a party with him. You look at her when she's at a party with Vybz Kartel. She looks so uncomfortable. She looks so, man, subscribe if you know I'm talking, if I'm spitting bars, man. You subscribe, man, because you know I'm spitting bars, man. You know. And here comes these Gaza fans now all up in my comments saying this and saying that as if what I'm saying is so hilarious. Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oztùrk, not one bit. Yeah, he deserves a promotion with her, hey, this is Sidem, and we don't Sidem, or whatever the rhyming videos that he's doing. That's all he deserves from Sidem, nothing else. So how it reaches the point where he's gonna be proposing, he's going on interviews telling everybody that they're gonna get married, and man, we know that this is just for papers, man. Vybz Kartel, he's just doing all of this for papers. He just wanna marry Sidem, send her back to the UK, pay a lawyer, get some paperwork processed, and he leaves Jamaica forever And as soon as he gets over there, he's gonna divorce her and get himself a tattooed, pierced BBL girl. Because that is what Vybz Kartel likes, man. He's just pretending to like Sidem. Sidem is such a beautiful heart, man. I mean, man, I'm so angry right now, man, that Sidem is gonna be marrying Vybz Kartel, man, because he doesn't deserve her. If he deserves her, I deserve Dion Jackson Miller. I deserve all of those girls that they say. I deserve Nicki Minaj, Rihanna. Come on, man. What are y'all talking about? Get out of my comment section with all of that thingamaloo that you're talking about, Gaza this and Gaza that, man. You're gonna let this girl marry into a Gaza culture which she knows nothing about. Sidem is a social worker. Sidem was a social worker. She has a kind heart. She likes helping people. She likes helping people. So, man, if y'all agree with me, then you just put it in the comment section, man. Let us sign a petition and stop the wedding, man. Or you tell me where that wedding is gonna be keeping, and I'm gonna be there so that when the minister says, if there anybody in the audience who objects to this marriage, please stand up, man. I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna stop that marriage, man, because you know Sidem is such a beautiful girl, man. When she smiles, my whole room lights up. And here is Vybz Kartel is gonna darken this girl's days, darken everything around her, man, because not because you see some things on camera mean that is the real person, man. That is not the Gaza culture, man. The Gaza is all about badness, man. Badness, 1 ton load of badness, man. You hear about this one done thing and you hear the lyrics. Vybz Kartel sings in his lyrics, man, talking about all of these violence and all of these things, man. Sidem doesn't deserve that, bro. Sidem deserves hugging, cuddling, you know, all of that peace and, you know, good loving, man, that a man like me has to offer, man. Not Vybz Kartel, bro. Vybz Kartel won't have no time for Sidem. You know what he's gonna do, man? He's gonna be taking Sidem on tours with him when he decides to go on the road next year. What he's gonna do? He's gonna be taking Sidem on tour with him because he knows that there are plenty of guys out there, man, who Sidem sees and likes. You think he feels good that Isaac Buchanan is around Sidem, man? He knows that is Sidem Ozturk's type. If Sidem Ozturk and Isaac Buchanan were together, it would be more acceptable. Yeah, you could see that, okay, this relationship could go places, but Vybz Kartel is just doing this to leave Jamaica forever, man. I'm telling you. So if you believe and you like the video, man, you subscribe. You Gaza fans, man, get the fuck out of here, man. You don't need to come on my page and say shit. Get the fuck out of here, bro. I don't need y'all jumping into my comment section, picking up for Vybz Kartel, who's gonna take this lovely girl. He's gonna be taking this lovely girl from her parents. Her father is gonna give him permission to marry this girl, and what he's gonna do? He's gonna break her heart. Vybz Kartel is gonna break Sidem's heart, man. Just look. Because Vybz Kartel loves tattoos, BBLs, and freaky girls. And for all of you ladies who used to support Vybz Kartel, man, you must be feeling pretty fucked up right now because Vybz Kartel sent you to put on tattoo and pierce your tongue, your ears, your ass. And now guess what? Look at look at the type of girl that he wants to marry. That's the type of girl that's gonna be controlling his millions, and you're not gonna be getting any. Come on, man, let's sign this petition, man. Gaza fans, get the fuck out of my comment section, man. I don't want you over here saying shit. Y'all hear that? So, just like, share, regular, or my super Spock community. Man, you guys are so super. You're beautiful. You're gorgeous. You're everything that a man wants. And you know, all of my bros, man, big up yourself. But man, just subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. And let's have a petition to stop this marriage, man. We have to save Sidem. Hashtag save Sidem. Hashtag save Sidem Oztùrk. Okay? Because Vybz Kartel doesn't deserve Sidem Oztùrk, man. Doesn't one bit.